Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to discuss how to germinate seeds in nuts, okay? First, let's talk about germination in general. It's a process by removing something to go from an inactive state to an active state so it can start to sprout and develop into a plant or a tree, okay? So what you would do is you would soak the seeds and nuts in water overnight, and you're going to add 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. What that's going to remove is something called enzyme inhibitors, okay? Which then will allow the process to occur. So there's all these anti-nutrients, and there's also phytic acid, which blocks minerals. So you're getting rid of 90% of phytic acid and enzyme inhibitors. So germination not only allows the seed to develop into a plant, but it also allows you to digest seeds and nuts. And it also releases a tremendous amount of nutrition. So after soaking it for about 12 hours, now you're going to dehydrate it for about 12 hours. So you just want to make sure that you put the setting on the dehydrator as low as possible because heat destroys vitamins. In fact, a lot of vitamins are destroyed at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, cooked foods add a lot of stress to the pancreas. So when you consume roasted nuts or roasted seeds, you get rid of the anti-nutrients and the phytic acid, so they're easy to digest, but they don't have as much nutrition. So try to consume as many raw vegetables as you can to increase your enzyme content, but also if you could germinate the seeds of the nuts, you'll have even more benefits. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press the button below and I will keep you in the know. Hey, that rhymes.